Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir, mes amis, guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TS MACD Pro traders, and our website is www.dayprotraders.com. The title of the video is how to trade Forex with MACD Pro system. All right, let's get started. All right, in this video, I will not share confidential trading material about TS MACD Pro because they are confidential, so traders must understand. I have identified a bullish setup for the Euro USD using the TS MACD Pro trading system. I have also analyzed the market environment, the market sentiment, and now I want to apply the trading drill. I've seen a value set up on a higher time frame using the TS MACD Pro. Now I'm switching to the 15-minute chart looking for a low risk entry point. This is a real-time demonstration of the TS MACD Pro trading system for day trading purposes. I want to day trade based on the short-term trading opportunities. All right. I want to buy the euro. Contrary to the general market sentiment that is bearish, very bearish, all right? I want to buy the euro for short-term purposes, all right? But I want to buy it here. So you see, I'm going to color my line now in orange. I want to buy it there. I will not set a limit order at this point in time. I will wait for the price to come into this zone, somewhere in this zone, all right? I want it to come back down a bit below, to go below this level a little bit. And if it comes near what I'm looking for, all right, to pull back here, somewhere in this region, all right, and then to change direction. I want to see two candles close, or one candle at least to close. So touch this zone and then start going up. Then I will buy it. Then I will buy it somewhere in this region. That's what I'm waiting for. Sometimes you want to enter the trend, you are looking for the best low risk entry point, and sometimes the price may just run away from here and go up. Now it's now up to you whether you want to chase it or be patient. All right, sometimes it happens. So hopefully they will allow it to come here, and then I will start changing direction, then I will buy it. Okay. If the price is below this level and continue to go down, I will not buy it. There's no point. It's not because I see a bullish setup on the higher time frame that I must definitely buy. If the price going down, the market patterns are bearish, well, I will not fight the market. Okay. So this is just to wait and until everything's set nicely for me. Another thing I will mention here, on this 15-minute chart, we see a declining channel. The market pattern is bearish, but now the price is out of the blue channel. All right. There is also this horizontal channel, the smaller channel here. Okay, so the price out of the blue declining channel now is in another horizontal channel. This is about the market pattern. So I can buy it now, okay, on the lower part of the horizontal channel. But I want to be a little bit patient and allow it to come a little bit below it. Why? Because you see here, the price was displaying lower lows, lower high, and this is the last low. All right, this is the last low. We also know that the low before the last low is what? A psychological price level. That's why I would prefer the euro to come near the psychological price level again. Okay, so go back again, that zone. And to retest it, okay, and see whether we have more demand, more buyers or not, okay? Now, so the TS MACD Pro has given me a technical warning that the Euro USD is likely to go up. But we also know that, okay, the general market sentiment is bearish. So this trade setup is a little bit risky. I know it. But I made a conscious decision, okay, to trade it. Another trader may say, George, are you out of your mind? The market is bearish. The market is expecting the ECB to start purchasing bonds, okay, purchasing debt, starting devaluing the euro. Why, okay, will you risk it and try to buy the euro at this point in time? Okay, let's go now to the yearly chart for the Euro USD. Now I'll explain to you why I make a personal decision to take this setup, okay? You can see on the yearly chart, the euro, okay, has been going down. The level that I told trader years ago to watch is the level around this level here, 1200, okay? That's the level there, okay? 12000, okay? That's a very, very important level. Now the euro went below that level. The euro at this point in time, the euro USD at this point in time is oversold. Today I have recorded a video for TS MACD Pro traders. I'll send it to 2 traders. Once the video is ready, I'll be sending it to 2 TS MACD Pro traders that are contacting me recently. Selecting trade setup with MACD Pro, so check your email. It'll be coming out sometime today or tomorrow. Selecting a trade setup with MACD Pro, and I explain to traders how I analyze the setup that MACD Pro has given to us, okay? So in my view, the euro is oversold. In the long for though the euro may continue to go down, it is oversold at this point in time. Money managers, okay, long-term investors, bank will be busy buying the euro gradually at this stage, okay, accumulating gently while the market is bringing the euro down. This is not a trading, okay, activity. These are investment activity. So for instance, American people that has a higher dollar, at this point in time, smart investor may convert their dollar into euro, waiting for the euro at one point in time to recover and start going up, while the dollar start going down. I explained to trader in another video how to trade Forex like investors at Joe Trio channel. But this is not about investment. What I'm doing here, this is trading, day trading, trying to grab some pip out of the market, okay? So in my view, the euro, though the market sentiment is bearish, a little bit oversold, all right? If I go, for instance, okay, on a daily chart, you can see that the euro has been going down in a declining channel here on a daily chart, all right? But now, on Thursday this week, Thursday, the 22nd of January 2015, today is what? The 20th of January 2015, time in London is 9 minutes past 3 p.m. In New York, 9 minutes past 10 a.m. recording this live video. So on a Thursday this week, there is this important news. You see the red envelope here. This is a high impact economy news. ECB press conference, European Central Bank press conference. This will be about quantitative easing, okay, money printing decisions, devaluation of the euro. But recently, we know also that the SNB, the Swiss National Bank, has also stopped capping the Swiss francs against the euro. So the music is changing a little bit. So that's why, okay, so what I'm doing here, I'm trying to combine the technical setup, the warning that TS MACD Pro has given to me. Now I'm combining it with, okay, the fundamental analysis, going into the mind of other traders, paying attention to the economy news, and what is about to take place on Thursday, the 22nd of January, 2015. Taking all this into consideration, the market sentiment is bearish, the bullish setup is given to me by TS MACD Pro, all right? Looking at the yearly chart, the euro went below a very important level, the 12000 level. It is in oversold zone, talking about long-term investment purposes. I tried to go into the mind of traders that were selling the euro, okay, recently. They know that on Thursday, that important news due, some of these bearish traders are conservative traders. They may decide to take some profit. So they are selling the euro, but they know that Thursday, Mr. Draghi will come out and start speaking. They may decide to take some profit because they don't want some surprises, some big surprises coming from the ECB. They don't want to expose themselves to that high impact news. So some of these traders may come out, may. Doesn't mean that the euro will go out or whatever. But it's just my personal interpretation, and going to the mind of other traders, I'm happy to take this trade. Let's go back again to the 50-minute chart. So now you know what I've done And what I'm waiting for is going down, which is great. On my 15-minute chart, that's where I want to enter this trade. All right. So here it is. So I have a bullish setup given by TS MACD Pro. I check the economy news at Forex Factory. I go into the mind of other traders. I do not violate the market patterns. Okay. Horizontal market pattern. I want to try to retest the psychological price level on the 15-minute chart. Looking for opportunity to buy in the zone of 11557, provided that the price changes direction here. What is happening, ladies and gentlemen? How we build the TS MACD Pro? The TS MACD Pro will highlight a bullish or a bearish setup. Now we want to go to the 50-minute chart and look for opportunity to buy or sell. Very often, as you can see here, the TS MACD Pro giving me, by the way, the TS MACD Pro does not use the standard MACD 12.26.9. It does not. We have a specific setting for the TS MACD Pro. It's not the standard MACD 12.26.9. All right. So if you want to purchase the TS MACD Pro, make sure that your trading software allow you to change your setting. All right. So you can set it to the setting that we have carefully selected for TS MACD Pro. All right. So now, if the warning given by MACD Pro is correct, all right. So MACD Pro is saying, give priority to bullish signal at this point in time. Okay, I say, okay, MACD Pro, acknowledge the warning. I will now implement the trading drill and pay attention to the economy news. Okay, so if the warning given by MACD is correct, as the price pulling back, if the price reaches a valid support zone, but the market is bullish, all right, which means the warning given by MACD is true, the price will change direction as soon as it hits a valid support level. That's why I'm waiting for here. I'm using a psychological price level, a low before the last low, and I want the price to come back and retest that very important support level. If the warning given by MACD is true, as the price comes near this valid support zone, it will change direction. If you break through it, that will invalidate the warning given by MACD. On the other hand, if MACD Pro has given me a bearish warning, and I switch to the 50-minute chart, and I want to trade the TS MACD Pro, I will allow the price to rally into a valid resistance zone. And if the warning given by MACD in the higher time frame on the trade setup time frame is correct, the price will find a resistance at a valid resistance level. So that's why I'm waiting patiently for the euro. It's very important for me. I can go and buy it now. This is about my own risk tolerance, but I don't want to do it. I want to be very patient because the market sentiment towards the euro is bearish. I need to get my entry correct so I do not expose myself too much. I do not use too much stop loss. So I will prefer to buy in this zone and use like 30 pip or 35 pip for this trade and give it a chance. If they take me out, at the end of the day, I won't feel bad about it because I follow the correct procedures. Usually, trader may make a decision, but later on, you get upset because you just rush into it, or you're impatient, or you violate too many market pattern or principle. All right. So in this case, I've done my homework. I'm happy with my interpretation of the price. If I enter, they take me out. Well, that's another losing trade. I just move on. No emotion attached to it at all. So what I will do at this point in time, I will pause the video for the first time. But before I pause the video, waiting for the price to come in this zone, will it come? We will see. All right, will it come? We will see. All right, so I just wait patiently and see whether they give me an opportunity. I don't have to fight the market. So before I pause the video, I just put a vertical line at the point where I'm pausing the video. And we will come back to it and see what's happening here. Okay, I want to color it in turquoise as I always do when I'm recording a live video. Turquoise, yes, that's my vertical turquoise. Now, at the point where we are pausing the video on the 50-minute chart after 40 minutes recording, the time in London is 16 minutes past 3 p.m. In New York, 16 minutes past 10. Okay. AM, pausing the video. Okay. For the first time, okay? Speak to you soon. Okay, traders, we have paused the video here, and we were expecting the euro-dollar currency pair to pull back to the level zone of 115.57. The price now at 156, okay, 115.62, very close to the zone where we want to enter it. Can you see? I'm trying to zoom into my chart. Okay, here we are. Can you see now? Okay. So we pause it here. It went back up a bit to the level of 115.89. As we pause it here, you see it went up again. Okay, some people were buying. So it's good that we are patient, very patient, all right, because the market sentiment is bearish towards the euro. This is coming near our, okay. Well, can you believe that? It's nice, isn't it? But now this is not, okay, signal to buy straight away. Now we want to watch the reaction, the price reaction in this zone, all right? It's good that it's here now. So I want to monitor, okay, what is happening here. We lead from the support in the zone of 115.57, all right? That's what I'm going to do now. So far, so good, because our expectation has been, okay, all right, validated. So we just wait now, okay, and see whether it's going to change direction here. All right, I can change my time frame now. I can go to the 5-minute time frame and zoom into it. What I'm doing now, zoom into it and see what is happening here. We leave final support, and I will. What do I mean by that? I will focus on the candlestick bar, okay? I want to pay attention to each candlestick bar in this zone, all right? Do we have demand? Do we have people buying? Okay. Is it changing direction? And once I see that, I will buy. But, okay, this area also is offering me a low risk entry point because I want to use 30 pip or 35 pip for this trade. So it would be nice if it change direction here. The next thing. The time of the day is 22 minutes past 4 p.m. in London. Now it's changed to 23 minutes past 4. In New York, 23 minutes past 11 a.m. In exactly 37 minutes, London will be closed. It's not, okay, the best time for day trading because the first 2 hours when a market is open is the best time for day trading. But I want to give it a chance because, yes, going into the mind of other traders, I'm happy to give it a chance. Okay, this is about myself, talking about my trading style, okay, and my risk tolerance. So I'll give it a chance if it starts changing direction here. All right, so let's pause it again, and when it's ready, and I'm about to enter the trade, okay, I can also use a limit order, but because the market sentiment is bearish towards the euro, I will not use a limit order in this case, okay? I will keep my eyes on it and monitor it, and hopefully it will settle nicely here in this zone, and then I will enter with 30 pip or 35 pip, all right, and give it a chance, okay? So we will pause the video again. The time in London, 24 minutes past 4 p.m. New York, 24 minutes past 11 a.m. Pausing the video for the second time, and we'll come back to it, talking about how to trade Forex with a MACD Pro trading system. Speak to you soon. Okay, traders. Just bought the Euro USD at 115.68. All right. Right there, 115.68. I will use, as you can see, the prior retested. In fact, my line was here before. Yes or no? Okay. So the prior retested here on a 5-minute chart. You can see here, touch it. What I'm talking about here. We pause the video here, and we were looking at the reaction of the price on the 50-minute chart. You can see that the price touches here. This is what we like to call a doji candle. So it was bearish all the way to the psychological price level, but quickly closed up The second candle, same thing again. She went down, but people bought it again, followed by a bullish candle. Another doji here, she went down, and people push it up again. So these are candlesticks. My apology to traders. These are candlestick bar are telling me that there are people buying here. If you look at the previous three candles, these were very bearish candle. Close bearish, close bearish, close bearish, and the fourth one did go down, but close up. Second one again tried to go down. This time you can see that it failed to display lower low. This candle, okay, display higher low compared to this candle here. And this one also opened here and now closed bullishly. Here it did open here, went up a bit. People tried to force it down, but it closed up again. So there are some people buying here in a support zone. That's why I decided to buy the euro right now, right here at 115.68. All right. I'm going to go back now. What I did now, switch to the 5-minute chart to observe, okay, the candlestick bar. So I'm going to go back to my 15-minute chart, day trading the euro USD. All right, you can see this is the candle that was split on the 5-minute chart. Okay, this is the candle we were looking at. Now another bullish candle. Okay, the new candle here is not yet closed. All right, I'm happy with my entry point. All right, so for this trade, I will use 35 pip. Okay, 35 pip. Okay, because of the time of the day, I don't want to use 30 pip. In exactly 16 minutes, London will be closed. So I need to protect my trade a bit. Okay, so 35 pip. Okay, I'll go to the hourly chart to draw my my stop loss. 115.33. Okay, somewhere 15.33, 35 pip. Oops, I don't have enough room. I have to change my time frame again. Go to the 2-hour chart so I can 115.33. That's it. That's my stop loss there. I will color it as always, start in red. Okay. All right, so done. So you see how we enter the trade, be very patient. Okay, this is the purpose of the video, to show traders, okay, how I enter this trade using the TS MACD Pro to pinpoint, okay, a reliable trade setup. Then I switch to the, okay, the 15-minute chart, okay, to enter the trade at a low risk entry point. You see how it was so important for me. If I go back again to the 15-minute chart, you can see how it was so important to wait. You see, we were waiting here and then push it back, okay, to the zone. And now we enter here, okay, all right. Come back down here, now it's going back up. So it's not a bad decision. I bought it in a support zone. I observed the candlestick bar. The price finding a support around this psychological price level. I want to give it a chance. Though it's not the best time for day trading, I will give it a chance and let it run. So 35 pips for stop loss. My stop loss is at 115.33, entry point 115.68. All right. So what do we need to do? Okay, because we are risking 35 pips, the minimum that we want to get out of this trade is also 35 pips minimum. Okay, we can earn more than that. The minimum I will be happy to take out of this trade is also 35 pips, but I will let it run more than that. Okay, it should go up more. Okay, it should go up more. All right, but the minimum is 35 pips because we are risking 35 pips. It's normal to have a 1-to-1 risk ratio. So I will pause the video again. All right, for the third time, I pause it here. Leave my vertical line at the point where we are. Okay, hold on. Okay, remember it's this candle here. That's where we are pausing, but we put the bar here. So, and we will come back to it and see what is happening. As you can see, if you look carefully here, it's 11:47 a.m. in New York. Okay, here, 11:47. You can see again here, AM is 11:47 a.m. Eastern time. in London, 16:47 p.m. So now we are in this trade. There's nothing else to do. We just need to manage the trade, keep our eyes on it. Do we like what is going on? If we don't like it, we can close the trade, cut the loss, and go. If you're happy, okay, we stay in it, all right? We give it a chance, okay, and so on. All right, but I don't want to close this trade. I will let it run until I get paid. So speak to you soon, and I will come back to it and show you whether, okay, it's working beautifully or not. Is it stressful? Is it, okay? Is it smooth? All right. So that's it. Speak to you soon. Okay, traders, we have paused the video here where I place my vertical line. And you can see that, in fact, we were pausing the video here, this zone here. You see that the price start going down. If you look carefully here, you can see 12p here. This is 12 p.m. Eastern time. Okay, that's the time when London is closed. London is closed at 12 p.m. Eastern time. That's 5 p.m. London time. So London did close here in a zone where we paused the video. And as London was closed, I was telling you that this was not the best time for day trading. That's why I was using 35 pip. And you can see that as soon as London is closed, the price went down more. Okay, the price went down, and now it's hanging here. It came very close. Let me show you what's happening here. Okay, hold on. Let's go to the 30-minute chart. Then you can see my stop loss. Here it is. See my stop loss. Can you see it? This is my stop loss here at 115.33. The prime came down all the way to 115.40. All right, that's 7 pip near my stop loss. Okay, very, very close to my stop loss. But I'm still in this trade. I'm not taken out of this trade yet. I feel like moving my stop loss now, but I'll leave it as it is because you can see that it came down as we pause it here. It went down a bit, but now it's consolidating here. Okay, I'll leave it as it is. Okay, I'll leave it as it is and see what's going to happen. You can see that the price retesting again the green line here. You see here, so it went down more. Okay, and now it start going up again. Okay, all right, on the edge of this okay green trend line. You remember everything in the bigger channel. This is the bigger channel that we have drawn earlier at the beginning of the video. Okay, so the price went back. Now it's testing it. Okay, so far so good. I'm still in this trade, but under pressure. Okay, you can see that I'm under pressure now, right here. But I will not change anything. I will just leave it as it is and see what will happen. But the time in London now is 24 minutes past 9 p.m. In New York, 24 minutes past 4 p.m. Okay, I will pause the video again and I'll leave it as it is. I will not move my stop loss. Okay, I leave it at 115.33 and let it play because, as I told you, this is a risky trade. But I want to give it a chance and see what will happen. Okay. So I'll go back again to my 15-minute chart, okay? All right, and I will move my vertical line to the point where we are pausing the video. Let's see if it, okay, as it is here on the edge here, we are pausing here. So I'll leave it there and we'll come back to it soon, okay? So pausing the video and we'll come back to it and see what's happening here, whether they take me out of this trade, whether the bullish trend has resumed, but I'm quite happy with what's happening here, and I leave everything as it is, okay? Pausing the video for a third time. Speak to you soon. Okay, traders, we paused the video here yesterday. As you can see, I let it run during the Asia session. We paused it here where I placed the vertical line. As you can see, after that, it went back down all the way to 115.41, and then went up all the way to 115.75, pulled back, and then went up to 115.88, okay, and then again it crashed back down to this zone again, 11547. It looks to me there are buyers here buying around 11540. Okay, so I'm still in this trade. Has been a long time since we entered this trade. I entered this trade just before London was closed yesterday, and I let it run through the night, through the Asia session, and I'm still in this trade. We can see that the price hanging around this green trend line. You remember the trend line that we have drawn before. You see, this is the bigger trend line that we have drawn, and you can see the price just rotating around at the upper side of that declining channel. It's still okay, bullish in my view, so I'll give it a chance and let it run. So has been a long time. So what I'll do now, I'll pause it again, and we'll come back to it. Hopefully by that time, okay, we'll wrap it up. Okay, hopefully you learn something from it. We see a bullish setup given by the MACD Pro. We switch to the 50-minute chart, enter the trade. Now what we are doing here, we are managing the trade. I did not move my stop loss. I'm using 35 pips. Okay, so I entered 11560. My stop loss 35 pip below right here. That's my red line here. That's my stop loss, which I did not move so far. So it's working nicely. So we'll see with that. Okay, it looks to me people are buying here. That's why I say to traders that if the big institution wants to buy, they don't buy straight away and go. You will see the price sometime will be doing all this blah blah blah. You'll be wondering what's going on. But if the momentum is truly bullish, at one point you break out and run away. The same thing we see last time when I used the same trading system, the MACD Pro, when I was trading. You see here, okay, the same thing happened here when we buy the Australian dollar yen, and it went through all the blah 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 during the Asia session, and finally it just went up big time. Okay, now it's come pulling back nicely. Okay, so somewhere here again. Okay, all right. So we go back again to the Euro USD, and we will pause the video and okay, and see whether we'll get paid or not. Okay. So pausing the video, the time in London now is 22 minutes past 9 a.m. We entered the trade on the 20th of January, just before London is closed, trading Forex, the Euro USD, let it run through the night, demonstrating the effectiveness of the MACD Pro. We want to find a reliable trade setup and then switch to the 50-minute chart and apply the trading drill without violating the market pattern. All right, so speak to you soon. Pausing the video again, and next time we'll wrap it up. Okay, we'll wrap it up. Okay. All right, traders. Hello, traders. Time to wrap it up. Not much is going on. You can see that, as I explained to you at the beginning of this video, the market sentiment is bearish towards the euro. Okay, the general market want to sell the euro because of the quantitative easing and the ECB conference that is due on this Thursday. So the market is quite bearish, but we see a bullish setup, okay, given by the MACD Pro trading system. We enter the trade on a 50-minute chart. The euro should go up. As you can see, it went up all the way to the level of 11588, all right? But because the general market sentiment is bearish, we see more sellers coming into the market and selling the euro. So far, we enter the trade, let me show you again, at 11568. My stop loss is still here at 11533. I will not close this trade at this point in time, but we will stop the video. What I will do, I will put, a limit order to exit this trade automatically at 11620. So if the price bounces to this zone 11620, my trade will be closed automatically because I need to use this computer. So I will stop the video at this point in time. I hope you have learned something from it, okay, and we put it to use to make excellent decision. I am still in this trade. At the end of this trade, if it happened to be a losing trade, I will post it on Twitter, and I'll put the link below this video. So check the link below this video to check the Twitter link to see. I'll post a chart on Twitter to show you the outcome of this trade. As you can see, it has been a long time waiting to get paid. As we entered the trade yesterday, as soon as London is about to close, we remain in the trade throughout the Asia session, which is a bit risky, talking about Forex trading. This morning, the price went up a bit, but I decided not to close it. Okay, I remain in the trade because I was risking 35 pip. The minimum that I want to take is 35 pip too. So I'm still in this trade, all right, but for the purpose of this video, it's for educational purposes only. So I will close the video at this point in time, but I will put a link, a Twitter link below, and so you can check out whether I get paid or I was taken out of this trade. Thank you for watching, and we will speak to you very soon. We are the TS MACD Pro traders trading the Euro USD, okay, with the TS MACD Pro. Speak to you soon. Okay, traders, just want to show you, okay, what has happened here. You remember that we set a limit order here to take profit here. As you can see, I stopped the video here. And as soon as I stop the video, and you see the euro just run fast, went all the way to 11680. Would you believe that? 11680. All right. And quickly, people took profit, like here. I took profit also here. You can see come back down here quickly to go back up again. All right. Because a lot of traders bearish traders get caught selling the euro, and their stop loss were taken out, and the price ran very, very fast. You see here. And this was a successful trade again by the TS MACD Pro, and was a long waiting time. We were waiting since we entered the trade on the 20th of January 2015, just before London is closed, and we let it run through the Asia session, and at the end of the day we get paid at 11568. And then we exit the trade at okay, right here, okay, 11620. Beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful trade. This is the end of this video. As I promised, I want to show you. I will post this on Twitter, and I will also put a link below the video so you can see okay, exactly what has happened. Thank you for watching, and we will speak to you very soon. We are the TS MACD Pro traders, just to show you what has happened. Thank you.